Before we start this video is not sponsored in any way. This is just a little bit of a show of a kit that I bought from a local store.
A bit of a busy day today, so we're going to do this. I'm not going to do the jalapenos because I've got loads. I'm going to be giving a lot of them away. Let's get some compost. Right, so what do you get in the kit? Tilt it down a bit. Packing. 3 little ceramic pots. The old cocoa choy, not going to be using that. I can basically put to one side. So in this kit you've got the jalapeno, the cayenne and habanero chilies. One's medium, which is jalapeno, fiery, whatever you want to call it, is a cayenne, and extreme is an habanero. I think they only grow to about the size of a small cock's apple. So 3 little tubs. Waste down there. Runaway chive when I did that. Shut that down there. There's the jalapeno. Come on, focus. Right, I want to go fill 2 of these up because I'm not doing the jalapeno one. I can go down there with the choy. This is supposed to be potting compost. All sorts in it. Just give this a bit dry as well. Give it a bit of water. Bit too much now. Aha. So, the cayenne chili, let's see how many seeds you get in this. I can't remember how much this kit was. I think it's only like $3.99 or something.
This kit is actually made by a company called Taylor's when I looked online, and on average it's from $6.99 to $8.99.
Why do I struggle so much with seed packets?
The kit, I think I actually bought it from, it was either Home Bargains or B&M.
Tell you what, you got a fair few in it. I'm going to put 5 in each, so I need to get these seeds back in here now. They can be kept to next year as well. So let's get a label. It's 29th of the 3rd. Wrong way around and upside down. But at least I know where they are. So let's give that a soak. These are going to stay in the greenhouse. Next the... Come on. Focus. No, won't focus. The habanero. So once again, you get a fair few in here. Oh, these look hot. These seeds are like a bright orange. Once again, put 5 in there. And they can go away as well. They can go into my seed boxes. Once again, give me a drink. It's 20 past 6 at night and the greenhouse is still 25 degrees. Nice and warm.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And they are going to stay in there.